Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Temu haul. Now I know that people voted for Temu hauls and I said I was going to do multiple, but then I realized when I looked back at the orders that I made recently, I want to save the things that I got because I'm going to an event next month. So I will share with you guys those stuff possibly next month, although I'm going to get the order next week. I might not do it in haul style. I might do it in a vlog style. It will make sense, but enough of that spill. So I actually just got my package today, so I was like, since I'm here, let me just do the video one time. So as always, you get the orange packaging that says Temu on it, as usual. Honestly, if you know, I keep on going back and purchasing from them. I genuinely like the company, so for me, it's the affordability of it. I think that's why I like the most. I don't even know what order I'm on, like order 5. I don't even know. This is bad. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and open this up and unbox the products in here. So I do have my phone next to me so that I can give you guys the prices, because sometimes I totally forget. I always put the links for you guys as always, but for prices, if anybody's interested in anything, I was like, let me have my phone unlocked. And also because I'm sitting down today in my usual sitting area for filming, I didn't... Because generally you guys see me standing, but I'm back to sitting here, at least for now. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open this, but I'm going to do this. I'm trying to be careful because the way that they tape it though, sometimes, I wonder I always feel like I'm about to tape into the clothing or whatever is in my package, so I get extra careful with that. Okay, I think this is good enough. Maybe a little bit more. Let's just go all the way down. But I think I only got 3 clothing items, so let's get straight into that real quick. So the first clothing item, I think this is a sweater, because I need some more like zip up sweaters. I find that a lot of them, the zipper broke and all that stuff. So I was like, I need sweaters that I can actually zip, especially as we transition to different weather. If I want to wear a sweater and zip it up when it's like cool in the day. Sorry. So this one, I think. It says the color is camel. I always get my sweaters in large. It really depends, but if I want it super bulky, even though this is a large, it kind of looks really, like it looks spacious. It doesn't look like it's going to be sucking on me, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is what the sweater looks like. I didn't go crazy with the clothing this time because I feel like I have enough clothing. I think I shopped mainly for a lot of summers in my past hauls, but I wanted to get a few like spring items. This is the gray one. I think it's the same exact sweater in light gray though. Let's see. I think so. Oh, by the way, I love that the packaging for this sweater in the back, it tells you how to so it says to remove minor creasing, shake out and hang garment overnight in a warm room, and then light color fabrics mark easily, so please take care of them when trying on. And it says reuse this bag if you wish to return the product. I'm probably not returning it because it's a sweater, like yeah, so the sweater too, because I like, sometimes I do have sweaters like pullover sweaters, but the reason why I don't like them sometimes is because unless I'm like gonna be like in a long car ride with AC or something like that. But if it's like I'm going in and out of somewhere and it's like, you know, when you get hot, if you get hot, you want to unzip your sweater, this I can actually unzip. So that's why I like zip up sweaters for that reason. But yes, this is the gray. I think it's the same. I got the same company, but one gray, one brown. And actually talking about that, I forgot I told you guys that I was going to tell you, put my phone on do not disturb just in case somebody else is texting. Alright, but so the camel one, the first sweater that I show you guys, was $5.18, and then, oh, so sorry, I got them from 2 different companies, I think. So the first one was $5.18. The gray that I should show you guys was $9.48, which is a lot for a sweater. I literally, when I was searching, I was putting like price from low to high because I didn't want to spend like $20 for one sweater. It didn't make any sense. But even $10, yeah, but I wanted the sweater, so I got 2. I think what happened is I may have wanted another one in the that was 5 for 518, but they didn't have the color. That's the thing too. I feel like with Temu, some stuff go in like high demand. People like it so much that it goes out of demand when you try to get it in your size. It's like out of stock. So that tends to happen a lot. I've noticed. But anyway, so let's go into the next one. So that was, like I said, 518 for the brownish sweater, and then 948 for the next one. So now let's see what's next. Oh yes, I also got some black sweatpants because I got these in extra large. Yes, I got these in extra large. They look like they'll fit. I like my things to be a little baggy instead of always tight fitting. So I got them extra large, but I'm generally extra large anyway, so I think they should fit fine. It has a little cute heart shape on it, and they're just black. I ended up getting them black because I feel like black is the color you can wear with everything. That's why I got them. To tell you how much these were $6.18. So $6.18 for those sweatpants. Okay, next, let's go. I guess I'll do the nails next. I got a few nails this time. So this first set is cute. I'm kind of wondering if I want to put on nails today. So I just took off some yesterday because the application of those specifically, I think it's the glue. I'm telling you guys, I think my best nails, and I never did a review on those, are the ones that come with the sticky stuff. So this one has them in there. So these are these brown like cute ones that I saw. It comes with brown, and then it comes with like different designs. Alright, this one specifically was, let's see. These nails were $1.07. Now, which is interesting, it's showing, like in the picture, it shows the different ones. I guess they come in different colors, shades of brown. So yeah, so that's the first nail set. The next nail set, I got these. These are probably what we'll wear during like vacation time because, again, I think I mentioned, for me, it's just easier for my field of work to do the shorter nails personally. But yeah, these are like this nice green and like white kind of French tip kind of looking design. That's what it gives me, French tip looking. So I got these two. This is multicolored. Alright, and the price for these were, oh, sorry. $1.79 for these. So far the two nails that I showed you guys were $1 and something cents. The next one here, this was really cute. I think so. Some of them are from like different brands. I feel like different companies. These are a little longer, so also I probably would save this for summertime. These are like Valentine's Day really, but I thought they were cute, so I got them. It's like pink with black hearts, and then there's like kind of the French tip thing that I was telling you guys before with the black nail. And then the other nails kind of have like stripes like of silver and black. I don't know if you guys will see it because it's kind of covered on the side, but okay, and these were $1.18. I think the last nail I'm showing you guys was a little more costly, like $3 and something. Okay, the next thing, yeah, maybe because they're like these nice color, but anyway, they're like a shimmery color. It's peach pink. It says in the back actually. So these are peach pink. This was $3.41 for these. It's just a regular peach pink nail set. They're all the same color. This one, unlike the other ones, these are all the same color. These are a short set too. That's why I got a set of some short ones and some long ones so that I can like swap between them. But so I'm kind of going back and forth if I want to do a set today, honestly, or just doing regular gel nail polish on my nails because I did my toes white. So I'm like, next, let's see. Ooh, my phone cases. I don't know which one I'm going to change to which one. So this is a purple 3-in-1 iPhone 14. I have the iPhone 14, so it comes in a little packaging, which we love because it's neatly packaged. After I'm done this video, I'll figure out which one I'm going to change it to. I got 2 phone cases. Generally, I don't buy phone cases in that, like, often. But I've had this phone case for a while, and I spent so much money because I needed a phone case. Like, I had just gotten my phone. And I was like, I don't want to be out here with no phone case when I first got my phone. But anyway, so this is a purple one. I really like this. It's cute because it has the flowers, but it also has the chain to hold your phone. But it comes with, the 2 pieces. The piece, I don't want to take it out, but you know how like it comes with the part where you put the phone in the first casing. So it has a clear casing. You can put your phone in there first. I mean, you put this first, and then you put this on top. Pretty much, the purple part goes on top. So that's why it's a 3-in-1, I guess, case. And then this is the back. But just to show you guys the detailing of the chain, I'm trying to turn it over. It's like, purple's my favorite color, so like that's what attracted me to it first. But I thought it was also cute with the flowers. Now I will say, I just noticed one of the flowers is broken, so that's the only thing I do not like. That it did come up. I just realized it now that one of the flower petals is missing, so that's not a great thing. But I mean, unless somebody's really cool looking at it closely, they'll notice it. But I have to say that, I gotta be honest, that's off of there. I don't know if you guys can see it. The like one little petal is cut off. I don't know if, I didn't even check the boxing, but it's still a cute case. Will I return it? No, because it's not as noticeable. I feel like unless somebody's really staring it down, I can get away with it. I don't know if this is going to be the case that I'll use first. This case was, let's see. This case was $169. And then, where's my other phone case? Okay, this other phone case, I might just switch to this one, honestly. We'll see. I also got this in like a purplish color. So this is just a regular standard. This is plastic. So this is the thing too with plastic. Sometimes I don't like plastic because when your phone falls, like sometimes you don't have as much security. And even with this case too, I didn't realize that this is opened. So if your phone accidentally falls and it goes like that, you know, but I'm still going to keep it. It has heart shapes in the back, and then it has like technically like a pocket, I guess, to put something. But now I realize like you can't really put anything because it might fall out. I don't know. I guess when you put the case, but it just has purple heart shapes on it, and then like it's a plastic case, but it's cute nonetheless. Okay, this case was 89 cents. And then next, these are not for me. My sister needed some headphones, so she asked me if I was gonna make an order. So these are just some Lenovo. They say they're Lenovo. Think Plus Live Pods, like almost like AirPods, but like the cheaper version. So just I'll show it to you guys. I've never actually tried them, but if anybody wants to try them, I think she said they had good reviews on that one specifically. That's why she wanted them. These were $8.48. And then the other thing is just a portable knife. So like if you do packaging, this is not for me, this is for her, but like if you do a lot of packaging for stuff, these are good. She says like if you need to if you need to open packages, this is pretty much what it's for. Like if you want to like a small knife instead of like a scissor, these are what you can use. It's like a cute little cloud looking one. I'm not taking them out of the bag because they're not really for me. But this was 98 cents for that. And then lastly, this was a free thing. After I forgot, like I bought Band-Aids after the fact, but it's not that many anyway. There was a thing if you wanted to get a free gift with your package, and then I just ended up just getting the Band-Aids. I'll probably just keep them so when I need them, like, or put them in my backpack, because you never know, you might need a Band-Aid for yourself. So this was a free gift. So I don't think, is there any pricing on here? I don't think so because it was a free gift. Yeah, just free gift. But apparently there's 50 in here, but it looks so, but probably there is. It's probably 10 strips of 5 or something like that. But it's just regular Band-Aid adhesive bandages. But I think if I click on it, I can tell you guys the actual like pricing. Even though like on my thing it says, okay, so yeah, the actual pricing is $179 for the 50 piece, I think. Yeah, and then if you want 100 pieces, it also comes in 100 pieces for $314. But yeah, that concludes my Temu haul. Thanks so much for watching. I will leave links as always, because I always leave links for you guys down in the description box. And I don't think there's anything else for this video, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button next to the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.